Hi, this is Sarah Ponder, certified financial planner and founder of Real Wealth Planning. I want to briefly cover the phases of financial planning and the meetings that we embark upon in partnership with clients throughout each of those phases. So first, we do phase one, which is our initial comprehensive financial plan and onboarding. This typically takes somewhere between 3 and 6 months, with just depending on how fast everybody gets their tasks done and scheduled. Clients that have relatively simpler finances and primarily W-2 income will be on the lower end of our fee schedule. Clients that have more complex businesses, complex rental portfolios, and complex investment portfolios will have a custom fee quoted. We begin with an imagination and vision meeting. This happens after our initial consultation, and it's the first meeting following our agreement. We do request that in each of these meetings, you do look through the instructions before the meeting, and we will, of course, go over them with you as well. The imagination meeting is one of our favorite meetings to do with clients. And we know it to be truly transformative. It really allows us to set a foundation so that we can build a financial plan that is meaningful to you and that will actually help you live the life that you desire. Then we go through a bunch of logistical things in the obstacles and organization. We spend a lot of time in this meeting, honestly, just connecting accounts, answering questions, uploading documents. We will continue to talk through your goals as we move forward through the plan. In Explore Possibilities, we are trying to align your budget and cash flow to your ideal day, week, and year. Finally, we get to Plan Delivery and Investments meeting. Plan Delivery is going to be looking at a lot of numbers and a lot of recommendations, and we'll be touching on each of the major components of the financial plan, including retirement analysis, estate planning, tax planning and strategy, investments, debt, education, and other topics depending on the family. Then the investments meeting is either just an investment education meeting, if this is going to be the completion of our engagement, or it is investments plus investment onboarding at our custodian. So if we are going to be continuing to manage assets or investments for you, then you'll get a whole bunch of emails and some paperwork to fill out that we will walk you through. After this point, this is where clients can choose to either complete our engagement and then move forward with our recommendations on their own, or many clients will choose to become an ongoing client of ours, and we will have a custom fee schedule based on your net worth and complexity. The vast majority of our clients that move on to phases 2 and 3 have flat fees given to them. And that flat fee, again, will be based on net worth and complexity. So the phase 2 typically takes somewhere between 12 and 18 months. And these are the primary topics that we cover in phase 2. We do order them in the order that makes the most sense to the client and the time of year. So we will not necessarily go in the order that you see here. In each of these documents, you can see some links to some resources that you may find interesting if you are just curious about the types of things that we would cover in any one of these meetings. Each of these is both educational and tactical as we help you actually implement the recommendations from the first part of your financial plan. Then phase 3, this is for as long as you remain a client, which for most people will be many, many years. We will typically meet something like 3 times a year. Some people prefer to only meet twice a year. We do have to meet at minimum 1 time per year. So during each of these meetings, we have general topics that we try to cover at each point during the year, but we know that life happens and that if you have a particular topic that is pressing for you, we will of course prioritize that as needed. If you have any questions or would like to reach out and schedule a meeting, this is how you can reach us, and we look forward to helping you plan your financial future.